speeches. Hello and welcome to our weekly outlook. After last week's economic data and the central bank's meeting, the week ahead will be very important with other economic data, but mostly because of numerous speeches. Data in the week ahead includes leading indicators such as GDP, retail sales, and inflation numbers from developed economies all across the globe. Also, we have a great news from IFC Markets for you professional traders. Number 1. Numerous speeches. MPC member Haskell and RBA Assistant Governor Ellis will speak on Monday. RBA Governor Lowe and FOMC members including Barkin, Bostic and Daly on Tuesday will be watched. Williams, Bowman, Waller and Daly from Federal Reserve and FOMC will speak on Wednesday. Fed Williams and Evans speak on Thursday. ECB Lagarde, German BUBA President Whiteman, Fed Williams, Ivan, Waller and Clarida also will be other speakers of the week that will speak on Friday. All of them are important and should be watched closely to find out the next policies of the central banks, especially in these specific market conditions. Number 2. Japanese GDP. Japanese quarter 3 GDP report will be out on Monday and should confirm that it was a challenging summer for Japanese economy. Since some part of the Japan, including Tokyo, had the COVID-19 restrictions even in the third quarter, the consensus estimates for the private consumption is to fall by 0.5%, and it means we can see some decline in the Japanese third quarter economy, same as other leading economies that we already had their GDP numbers. While with the new round of the stimulus in the new administration, we are waiting to see a better situation in the last quarter, these data should not change the overall market sentiment and Nikkei 225 uptrend. Number 3. US retail sales and industrial production. Some factors may affect the October retail sales. However, increasing prices with purchasing in advance can increase the numbers. Since retail sales are reporting in nominal dollar, which is not adjusted for inflation, higher prices tend to boost the gains in spending. At the same time, supply shortage will put the consumer in a hurry to do their November and December holiday shopping a bit earlier. On production front, with supply chain shortage, overall output will likely continue to be limited. However, increasing demand should continue to grow the production level as well, even if at the more modest pace. These numbers are supposed to be positive for US dollar. Number 4. UK inflation. After a temporary pause in September, prices are expected to be seen higher in October. Higher energy prices are the main driver. However, it's not the only reason. Supply disruption and shortages also are other reasons to lift the prices. After increasing inflation in China, US and Eurozone, increasing prices and inflation in UK also is widely expected. So it should not be surprise. However, the officials' reactions in their speeches to these numbers will make a difference. So please follow the mentioned speeches and stay updated with the markets. Finally, number 5, a great news from IFC Markets. IFC Market in honor of 15th anniversary launched a 15 years anniversary promo with the very cool prizes and bonuses. The grand prize is a Mustang MACH-E electric sport car and many other prizes. Not hooked yet? What if I tell you they have up to 50% bonuses from your deposits? By the way, the minimal deposit is $250. You can learn more from the link in the description or at the end of the video in the pop-up link that I left for you. Thanks for being with us and hope this week will be your week.